What is up, guys? We are on a wild trout stream this morning. It is probably about 20 to 25 degrees out here right now. It's pretty cold, and we're going to be Euro nymphing, and we're waiting on my buddy Camp to get here. He'll be throwing a fat streamer around for some big browns. So let's see what we can make happen. I had the camera off and ended up hooking a fish. And he's a little fighter too. Nice little rainbow. It's the first fish I've caught out of this hole in a while. Here's always the fun part, is netting these fucks. I always got to bend my pole way. I got him. Alright. Get that hook out of him. Caught that one on the pheasant's tail. Go take a look at that guy. Oh, wrong way, buddy. There you go. Hell yeah. Right, it's so fucking windy right now. It's unreal. Yeah, like I can't keep my fucking line in the water. God, this shit's fucking crazy. I'll make it quick. I'll make it quick. That way you ain't gotta suffer. Yeah, this is fucking ridiculous. I've never fished with the wind this bad. Brown. Yeah. No fun. Hell fucking yeah. You didn't hear me the first time I yelled, did you? No. I said brown. I
suffer from CHS.
Carrier shit syndrome?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's the biggest brown I've caught. That's first brown of 2024. Let's take a gander at this guy. Put him back in the water so you don't put a popsicle. Get back with y'all when I get this fucker off. This looks awesome. Got him. No. Oh my God. I seen him, he's this big.
Got him.
Holy shit, dude, holy shit.
Got him.
Holy shit.
Oh, he's barely fucking hooked.
Dude, let some line out, let some line out.
I can't.
Dude, you gotta let him.
I can't, I gotta keep some tension on him.
Let me put this down. Holy shit, he came back and ate it again. Oh, I got that on camera.
Please keep this fishing right now.
He came back and ate that shit again, dude. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, Camp. Bring him here, bring him here.
That's a fucking monster.
Bro, oh my God. Dude. That is a fucking stud, bro.
Yes. Oh, look at, he's got the curved jaw.
Dude, he got the kite button. Oh my God. Woo. Holy fuck, dog. Fucking A. Give me some fucking...
Dude, you don't know how. This is the first fish of 2024. This is my first fish of 2024.
Oh my God, dog.
Look at my foot.
Oh my God.
Look at the head on that sucker.
He came back and ate it again.
Did you just see him inhale it?
I got it on video, dude. I got all that on video.
Oh my gosh. The big fucking streamer, son.
Oh my God.
Okay, I gotta get a good fucking picture with this bitch.
Dude. Holy fuck.
Look at the size of that streamer he ate, son.
That is a fucking toad, bro. Oh
What do
my.
you think? 19?
Dude.
You got a measure tape?
Yeah.
That's 19, almost 20.
Think so?
That
Yeah,
is
easily.
a fucking toad.
That's a
bro.
toad of a male.
Dude.
That's my first ever fish with like a curved jaw too.
Look at the size of that streamer he ate, son. That is a fucking toad, bro. Dude. Holy fuck. Look at the size of
17, 18-ish.
He's not flat. Hold on, I'll get it. I'll hold the measure.
Dude, he swiped at it and I felt the tension, missed him, and he sat in one spot and I threw right back over his head. Came up and crushed, actually inhaled that streamer. And by the time I set the hook, right in the corner, perfect hook set.
Brother, he came back and ate it twice. That is insane.
Ridiculous.
Beautiful fucking fish, man. Congratulations. That's awesome.
First
one
trout, first brown on the fly rod, and my first big streamer fish.
and the first fish for you for 2024, ain't it?
Yeah, it's starting off pretty good. Let's get this hook out of him here, if he'll let me.
Dude, I'm fucking shaking. I gotta get some underwater footage of him.
Oh, he was hooked fucking wonderful. He wasn't going anywhere.